Sentimerin Aunok. I am a consultant at Naga Hospital Authority. I am in charge of the critical care department at Naga Hospital Authority. I was the first recipient of the COVID-19 vaccine. I have just received, and I have come to the observation room where they will be monitoring me for 30 minutes. The injection is absolutely painless, so there is nothing to fear about as far as pain is concerned. And as far as side effects is concerned, till now, about 10-15 minutes has passed, and I'm still feeling very much fine. We knew that we will have to do it. We will have to be the frontline. Since we are already the frontline workers in every form, not only in the form of treatment, but also in the form of receiving whatever has to be done, we are expected to do that. And I was already prepared, so there was no hesitation on any part. So we would like to encourage each citizen of not only the state of Nagaland, but also the whole of India to be able to undertake this small, painless procedure to be able to save lives, because life is very important and it's very precious. So we would like you to encourage it. So with these few words, I'd like to say, be brave, step forward, be safe.